Guys, welcome. This is your boy Ghost RSA, and we're here with another video. As you guys can see what's on the screen, and as you guys saw by the thumbnail and the title, today we're going to be talking about the introduction to Forex, as in what is Forex and the psychology into that trading space. So guys, as we start with the introduction, what is Forex? In my definition, I say that Forex is an act of buying and selling assets in hopes of making profit. But you can also say it's buying and selling assets aiming for profit. It's the same thing. So guys, what are those assets? Those assets are run down companies, and in those divisions we have 4 divisions that we can say they are our assets in trading. Cryptocurrency, which can be currency pairs, indices, and safe havens. Safe havens are also called commodities, but I call them safe havens. Safe havens are things like gold, which you're gonna see in the next video that I'm gonna be dropping, and indices, US 30, German 30, German 40, NAS 100. Those are indices. They move they're very, very volatile. You must very much know this. Don't ever forget this. Take notes if you have to. And currency pairs, it's Euro USD, Euro USD, GBP JPY, USD JPY, and the likes. So cryptocurrency is something that I'm gonna be teaching you guys on sooner or later. Before the year ends, I have to teach you guys on that. So when the year starts, we know that you're going to be on point and we're going to be ready for the markets. So cryptocurrency is the form of Bitcoin. It's high investment growth in simple terms. It's what you can use, because most traders can actually go on the weekly time frame if they see that the setup is a buy and leave it as it is. That's the account for investing. They're investing through trading. So that's how it is. That's how it's gonna be. And right now, guys, as you get into the psychology, what is psychology? Psychology, guys, is the mindset. It's the mindset mechanism behind trading. So as we start, we're gonna begin it with fear. So what is fear? Fear, guys, is being scared to buy or sell into the market. And it happens when you are scared that, what if I lose my money? What if the setup is get to experience drawdown? And guys, in my honest opinion, it's okay to lose. Certain times you have to lose before you can ever get the profits. Because in my entire 2 years of trading, I've never experienced somebody who just wins every day. No, it's not possible. Most people blow. You have to blow before you can ever get that far, because that's how it is. That's how it has to just go. You just have to learn that I'm gonna blow sooner or later. I'm gonna lose money. But fear should always be conquered. If you want to survive in the trading space, fear should always be conquered. And another one is greed. Wanting to make too much money. As you guys are gonna see, let's just say you have a winning setup. And I've experienced this myself when I was introduced to Forex and everything. I started to trade out with demos. I started to do a lot of things with demos. And when I got into real accounts, I had fear. And once I conquered that fear, I thought, maybe, you know what? Yeah, I'm not afraid of the markets. The markets will give me what I want whenever I want it. And that was a big mistake, because I soon got to learn that the markets will humble you. In my home language, we say, market asari. Market, it will humble. It doesn't, so being greedy, guys, it's you right now. Let's just say you funded $20, but now you make at least, let's just say, a reasonable amount. You make $100. After making that $100, because you are greedy, you're gonna say, let me go in again, let me take another setup. And that might lead to, you have higher chances of blowing, because you took a setup just because you want money, not because you're looking for quality. You wanted quantity over quality. So guys, that's something we must very avoid, because that's not healthy. That's gonna lead to you losing a lot of money. And as we go on to being overconfident. Overconfident is thinking that you are better than you are. Ne? So that's you saying that, my skill works. And I've been there. Most of the things that I've rated here, I've done them. So I'm trying to make sure that most traders avoid this. So guys, sorry about this. As it goes, guys, being overconfident, you tend to think, my setup will tell me. When the market is selling, people are selling with the market. and they are experiencing the money man effect. But because you want to just make profit, you are so high of yourself, you have pride, you're gonna say, now my setup is showing me a buy, I'm gonna buy, and then the market will humble you and take your money. Then you're gonna say, forex is scam, or forex is scam. No, forex is not a scam. The problem is that you were overconfident, you thought you knew better, and the market had to humble you. If the market is showing you, don't trade what you think, trade what you see, because that's where the discipline lies. Trade what you see, analyze what you see. Don't analyze what you think or feel, because the market does not go on emotions, does not go on feeling, but it goes on logic, it goes on logistics of the market. You have to know this. You have to make sure that you avoid by all means all the things that I've said, because I've done them. These are my past experiences, and I'm sharing them with you guys because I want to make sure that you guys don't fall into the same things that I fell into. So going forward, we have discipline. Discipline is sticking to your plan. If I tell myself that I'm gonna deposit $20 and per trade I'm gonna risk $1.50, that's how I do it. And if I say that in a week I want to make sure that I made at least $100 in a day, meaning that I have to make at least, maybe let's just say $20, that's my trading plan. Stick to your trading plan because it's going to help you to get where you are. Start with small realistic goals, and as you go, that's where you can get to increase and go far in life, because you can never ever try to start with saying I'm gonna take $20 into 100,000. It doesn't work like that, guys. So moving on, we have excitement, getting pumped or emotional. So guys, this is where crazy enough, I've done this before, and this year actually. And guys, this is where I'm gonna revenge trade against the market. It can't save, but then you end up losing again, and you win a trade and say, okay guys, hey, okay, I'm gonna enter again, on for you to blow. So guys, what I just said, if you don't understand, I pray you comment it below. Hope you guys have a blessed day. Hope you guys are like, subscribe, and hit me up for more content. If there's certain content you want to see, and I'll make sure that you guys get to see that, and I'll make sure that you guys get to get the knowledge you guys know. You guys deserve. So have it good, guys. God bless. Let's go.